I'm Julie, and I did the 45-day Fit Mom program at Excel. I signed up because I had two kids, 5 and 2, and I was really not motivated, tired, and wanted to get back into a workout routine. So I signed up. It was only 30-minute classes, workout classes, and then Jill did tons of dietary meal prepping with us and made it super easy. I loved that it just seemed to come natural, and it was quick 30-minute workout classes.
How have your results been?
And yeah, I saw results almost like within 5 days to a week. Much more energy, no more naps on the weekends. By the end of the 45 days, I lost 1 dress size. All my clothes are fitting better, I feel better, and it's just been amazing.